In today's video, I'm going to show you how to fix the WordPress admin error 403 quickly and safely. If you're trying to access your WP admin dashboard and you're seeing a 403 forbidden message, don't worry. This is a very common issue and it's usually caused by permissions, a corrupted file, or a plugin conflict. I'll walk you through the most effective fixes step by step so you can get back into your WordPress dashboard without stress. And if this video helps you out, make sure to like and subscribe for more simple WordPress tutorials just like this. Let's get started. The first thing we're going to check is your file permissions. Incorrect file permissions are one of the most common causes of a 403 error in WordPress. Your files and folders need specific permission settings in order to function properly on your server. To check this, log into your hosting control panel or connect to your website using an FTP client like FileZilla. Once connected, navigate to your WordPress root directory. This is usually called public_HTML or www. Now right-click on your folders and check their permissions. Directory should be set to 755. If they're set to something like 777 or 700, that can trigger a 403 error. Next, check your files. Files should be set to 644. There is one exception. Your wp-config.php file can be set to 440 or 400 for extra security. If any of these values are incorrect, update them and apply the changes. After that, try accessing your WordPress admin area again to see if the error is resolved. If you're still seeing the 403 error, the next thing to check is your htaccess file. A corrupted or misconfigured htaccess file can easily block access to your WP admin area. To fix this, go back to your root directory where WordPress is installed. Locate the htaccess file. If you don't see it, make sure hidden files are enabled in your file manager or FTP client. Once you find it, rename it to something like .htaccess_old. This effectively disables the file without deleting it. Now try visiting your WordPress admin page again. If the 403 error disappears, that means the .htaccess file was the problem. You can then log into WordPress, go to Settings, then Permalinks, and simply click Save Changes to generate a new clean .htaccess file automatically. If the issue still isn't fixed, the problem might be a faulty plugin. Sometimes security plugins or caching plugins can mistakenly block legitimate requests and trigger a 403 error. If you can access your dashboard, go to Plugins and deactivate all plugins temporarily. Then try refreshing the admin page. If you can't access the dashboard at all, go to your WP content folder using FTP or your file manager and rename the plugins folder to something like plugins old. This will automatically deactivate all plugins. If that resolves the issue, rename the folder back and reactivate plugins one by one until you find the one causing the problem. Finally, don't overlook simple browser-related issues. Sometimes a 403 error can be caused by cached data stored in your browser. Clear your browser cache and cookies, or try opening your site in an incognito or private browsing window. This quick step can sometimes solve the problem instantly. And that's it. You've just learned how to fix the WordPress admin error 403 step by step. If this tutorial helped you, make sure to like and subscribe so you never miss another WordPress fix. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.